Hi everyone. I just wanted to take a moment of your time to thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, mwah, thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all of the support that I'm getting from the keto community as well as the low carb community. I am so grateful. You guys have pushed me, you have challenged me, and you have inspired me. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this clip. If you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you again. Until we meet again, stay keto-tastic.